I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Really appreciate it. We really enjoy informing you of all the latest that we have to offer in dental. And today I'm just going to chat with you. I want to talk about the difference between Lumineers and veneers. We get asked all kinds of questions when patients come in. What's the difference? Basically, Lumineer is just a brand of veneer. So your veneers can be made out of a lithium disilicate, which is a material known as Emax. That is basically the most popular, but then the Lumineer is made out of a specialized porcelain that Lumineer actually brands. Both are amazing products. We now do minimal prep veneers, so no longer do we have to take tooth structure down. We do very minimal preparation to allow for the best aesthetic result. And we also have a way of showing you what your smile might look like. It's called the Lumi Smile. So when the patient comes in, we take a picture and we send it off, and we get a preview of what your teeth will look like with veneers. So then you have a choice of whether you want to do it. Also, with the way that we do our veneers, we make you customized temporaries, and those temporaries you will take home with you after the preparation day. And if you need any tweaking or what have you, then we can correct that before we send it in for the final product. So let me show you what the Lumi Smile looks like. It's an actual little pamphlet that you get. You come in, you have your picture taken, and let's zoom in. You can see her before, and this is the patient after. Now the patient has not had anything done. This is an actual preview of what it may look like, and as you can see, she went from a dull smile to a much brighter smile. And that way you will have a choice of what you would like to do. So here is her wider smile. So you have your before and afters, and it makes it very easy. And we like to give patients previews so they know exactly what they're getting into. Sometimes you might want to whiten your teeth first, or you might just do veneers on the upper and not on the lower. Not always do you have to do veneers on upper and lower arch. Sometimes you only have to do 2, sometimes 4 front teeth. Sometimes patients want 8 on their upper 8 front teeth and none on the lower. So it really just depends. We make it very customized. The lab that we use is amazing. And so anyway, hopefully these will just answer some of the questions that we get for veneers. So I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady, and thanks for watching.